War day number 1057. 1057 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 22nd, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. It's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9953. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 23 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Now the double ones. Here no, there no. 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 Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. And then double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. We need to compare here. We need to compare. Yeah. Alright. We have only 2 columns. Completed columns. Here, double 1. Oh, double O here. Double 1 here. Oh, this will be difficult. Yeah. Well. How about the rows? Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the O and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O's here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's we have here. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. This can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here so 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. I think now we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Do we have a double O here? No. Yeah. Here, double O. Double 1 here. Yeah. This column, last column, and that column. Wait. Yeah. O, empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. O, empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. Here. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Okay, but it's not helping me. This one is not helping me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and a 1. O and a 1. O and a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay. We have a double 1 here, no. 1001. Here, 1001. Double 1. O. Yeah. This one. And that one. Let me compare O, empty box. 1, 1, empty box. O, 1, 1, 1, 1. O, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Okay. Here now. Need to compare again. Double 1. Double O. Double 1, double O. Nope. How about here? Double O. Double 1. Nope. So I cannot compare these 2. How about here? Double 1s. No double 1s here. Cannot compare this. These 3. How about here then? Double 1s. Yeah, double 1s. Double O. Nope. No. So I need the rows. This row or that row. The first or the third row. Double O's. Here we have double O's. This first row and that one. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Empty box. Empty box. 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1s, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 9 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute. No, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then. Bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. See you later.